Alrighty, so let's talk about hybrid inheritance as well as hierarchical inheritance. So I have already created a class A with fun method or function, and now I'm going to inherit class A. Now class class B is a blank implementation, you can say. Again, I'm creating class C and it is publicly inheriting class A. So we can say that A is hierarchically one level up to B and C. So this is nothing but a combination, or you can say this is nothing but a hierarchical inheritance. Again, I create one class D, which is publicly inheriting class B and class C. So we can say, just like a diamond shape, A goes to B and C and B and C goes to D. So D, I can say it is multiply inheriting B and C. So it is a classical example of hierarchical plus multiple, so that gives you hybrid inheritance. And hybrid inheritance does mean that it should be a combination of two and more than two inheritance. Now I quickly create an object of class B. I invoke the function fun, but in here there will be a issue. um, it will give us that the member function fun is ambiguous because D is getting multiple copy of A via B and via C. So what we can do is we can quickly write the membership operator that we want to invoke function fun, which is coming via B and not C. So at this time we will get the output. I am in class A. Again, if I keep instead of B, I write C because C is equally inheriting class A, and I write, I just, all right. So we are getting the same example. But again, the best way is to use the keyword virtual in here, because using virtual while inheriting class A, we can prefix this keyword as well as postfix this keyword. The meaning is unaltered. That does mean B, C, and D will get only a single copy of class A and not a multiple propagation will be there. So there is no need to give scope resolution or membership operator in here. Now if I go for F9 and then F10, we'll get the answer. So that's about it. This is a classical example of hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and by combining these two, it becomes hybrid inheritance. Thank you.